Cheating rumors surrounding Muda Bongs and his wife DJ Zinhle have taken a new turn after a Zimbabwean influencer sparked a heated debate online. Instead of focusing only on the alleged affair with the younger women, the conversation has now shifted to something bigger. How society reacts when powerful, successful women are involved in cheating scandals. The influencer suggested that DJ Zinhle's age and appearance could be factors, and that the comment has opened up a wider discussion about double standards, accountability, and how women are often blamed for men's actions. Many social media users are questioning why a woman's look or age are even part of the conversation, while others argue that public figures invite public opinions. Now the internet is divided again. Is this about relationship issues behind closed doors, or does it reveal how quickly society points fingers at women when things go wrong? Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video as well, and I will see you on my next upload.